Good morning.
Good morning.
What time is it?
It's 6:25. This is a time of the day that we don't usually see. Our alarm to get up normally goes off about 7.
And what are we doing?
We are heading to the beach, to the seaside, to go for a morning walk along the beach with our bestie.
Lovely. A beautiful sunny day.
It really is.
Yep.
It's the car is telling me it's already 19 degrees Celsius, 6:26. Have you seen the sea? The sky?
Have I seen it?
On camera.
It's very difficult to miss it. And, there's our favourite place to get fish and chips, and we will be coming back for fish and chips this evening. That's
And why are we coming back for fish and chips this evening?
because you're too lazy to cook.
No. Try again.
Because they do gluten-free Friday. And there's the sea.
There is the sea.
It looks like a mill pond.
A mill pond. Well, still.
People walking their doggos.
I do love that little crocodile. It's so cute.
Cute. Need a quick consensus from everybody. Does that car look like it's parked parallel to the lines? Leave your comment below.
That's not our dog. Someone else's dog. Hi. This is incredibly peaceful, apart from the dog squeaky toy. And we're just waiting for the bestie. She's got a bit further to travel to get here. I'm having a little matchy moment with my Waitrose coffee cup and my Marc Jacobs. This is the mini tote bag, and this is my little friend, my little Gucci cat charm. Sparkly. Oh, I like a good boulder. I enjoyed Central Park in New York. I liked the boulders there. How was that?
Just to be dribbles. It was lovely. Really, really lovely.
It really was lovely. Right, let's go home and
She's going out for a drag.
go for work. There was a lady being dragged by her dog. And yeah, no, we've now got to go to work, and we don't want to do that. We want to find a cafe and have some breakfast and sit in the sun and drink coffee. But work calls. Hi, it's same day, but it's in the evening, and we are back for our earlier mentioned fish and chips. It is absolutely heaving out there. I might be able to see, whoops, there, that's the fish and chippy up there, and that's the queue because it is gluten-free Friday, and it's busy on a Friday anyway because it is the best fish and chips around. So how did we feel today after our early morning walk? Well, we felt we were on it. We were boom, 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 cracking through work and everything. But it is 18:18, almost 6:20, and I am pooped. I want to eat and then go to sleep. So it was great. It was great. It really was great. So what else have we got going on? Well, when we get our foodies, we're going to probably head down to the beach. Might stop in at the wine boutique to pick up another bottle of their Carver that I really, 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 really enjoyed. And have it with the sort of limoncello gin thing, mixer thing that we got from M&S. What are we doing this weekend? Wow. I don't know. We've got so much to do. We've got so much to do in the house. I need to give you an update on the house. The floor is done in the snug and I will show it to you. We have... There wasn't a huge amount of furniture. There was more furniture in there than there is now. We've only moved a bit of it back in there because we haven't decorated yet. The floor is done, but the walls are still bare plaster or the old paint and they still need work. And the reason that we haven't gone straight into decorating is because it's so warm and we wanted to focus on the outside, on the garden, because we want to be able to use the outside space while the weather is nice, and then we'll come back to the inside space as summer starts to wind down and things get a bit cooler and stuff. We've got all sorts of things to do inside. It's not just painting. Not just painting the snug, there's loads. That's an interesting place to stop. I mean, I'm sitting in the car because I'm across someone's driveway and there's just no parking down here, so I'm sitting with the car while the line goes off and sorts out our food, which is why I thought I'd get the phone out and have a little chatty chat with you. I really need to get like a little holder for my phone in the car. What about you? What have you been up to? I haven't done like a vloggy vlog for ages. Not just a general mooching around what's going on in the house type vloggy vlog. The last one was when the floor was being dug up in, I want to say that was April now. Cannot remember. Yay, menopause. So yeah, I think I am going to maybe watch a YouTube video because I can do that in this car on the little screeny screen, and wait for the lion to bring back my food and his food, and then we'll see you seaside for fish and chips and things. Bye bye. How cool is that? The lion has got a gluten-free beer to have on the seafront with his battered sausage. He's just had it confirmed that the battered sausage is indeed gluten-free, and I've got a Mexican lime soda because I'm driving. So I'm just going to wait and watch Cassie go shopping. Targets have been acquired. There's a lion. There's the sea. Double C today. Double C, morning C and evening C. Oi.
I think you're making a bra joke, right?
No, no, double C isn't a thing. And if it was, I wish I was a double C. Look, there's the beach down there. And look at how blue the sea is. Look, people in the water. Crazy loons. Right, I'm hungry. That was delicious. I had a small cod and chips. I usually have the haddock, but that only comes in size huge, and I didn't want huge. And the lion had a battered sausage and chips, and all gluten-free. Yay!
Fingers crossed.
And now I think we're just going to sit here. I've got a wasp trying to drink my drink. Amazing. Mate, get off. Get off. Dude, yeah, don't smack him away towards me.
I'm not doing that.
Ugh. He's annoying me now. Get off. Right, well, I might not be enjoying my...
It's you.
It's me?
You. Don't run away from it, because it will just...
Oh, it really is following me. You mean I've thrown my drink on the floor for no reason? That's what he was on. Yeah, he's on the drink again.
He was on me.
Okay, well, I mean, this is a Fever Tree lime drink, which is very nice, but I won't be drinking any more of it. He's really... Ugh. Okay, so we'll try not to be attacked.
Jacked up.
And we'll, yeah, he's on a bit of a sugar high. So I think we will just sit here now.
Beer?
No, thank you. I don't like it. I don't like it. I think we'll just sit here now and look at the sea for a little bit before we head home.
What he's unhappy with. Hilarious.
It is lovely and peaceful here right now. Just a few people out having picnics. The sun is low. And a little bit of football over there. Tomorrow morning, this place is going to be absolutely heaving, isn't it? Yeah. So I'm glad that we had the opportunity to enjoy it while it's nice and quiet. Let's go. Hey! Another target acquired. We've still got some of that limoncello stuff, right?
Yeah.